Hello students, it's the second class of your measurement chapter, that is chapter number 6. In the previous class, we have discussed what is measurement and how do different objects measure differently with different units, right? So today we'll talk about the measurement of length in brief. So to measure different lengths, we use different units like centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. डिफरेंट लेंथ्स को मेजर करने के लिए हम डिफरेंट यूनिट्स यूज़ करते हैं लाइक सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, किलोमीटर एट्सेट्रा. एट्सेट्रा मीन्स और भी बहुत सारी यूनिट्स हैं. लेट्स सी द रिलेशन बिटवीन दीज यूनिट्स. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 centimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So, in order to deal with the different lengths with different units, we should know the relation between them. Okay, let's see the conversion of units. For the conversion of units, you should know these relations. If you want to convert any unit into the another unit and you don't know these relations, you'll not be able to do the conversion. So these relations are very important. One more thing you have to keep in mind here is when we convert the bigger unit into smaller unit, we multiply. Bigger unit को हम smaller unit में convert करते हैं तो हमेशा हम multiply करते हैं. Like kilometer is bigger than meter, meter is bigger than centimeter, and centimeter is bigger than millimeter. So in order to convert these units into these smaller units, we always multiply. And when we convert the smaller unit into bigger units, like if we'll convert meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter or millimeter into centimeter, then we'll divide. Get that? So let's make more on these points, these 2 points. That is when we always convert bigger unit into smaller, then we multiply, and when we convert the smaller unit into bigger unit, we divide. Let's make these points more clear through an example. Here I have number that is 25 meter. We have to convert this meter into centimeter. So meter is bigger than centimeter. So what should we do here? We multiply the numbers, right? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. This is the relation between meter and centimeter. ये relation होता है meter centimeter में. So here we have to multiply the number in order to find out the centimeter, right? हमें सेंटीमीटर निकालने के लिए कि 25 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. बट नंबर क्या होगा जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? इट वुड बी 100. इसीलिए हमें ये रिलेशन याद करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं. सो 25 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 25 into 100 centimeter. 25 into 100, 2500. So 25 meter is equals to 2500 centimeter. This is the way to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. Let's take one more example. So the next example is 215 meter is equals to dash kilometer. So we have to convert meter into kilometer. Here kilometer is bigger than meter because this unit is bigger than this unit. What would we do? We'll divide. But वो number कौन सा होगा जिससे हम divide करेंगे? For that we should know the relation between meter and kilometer. So the relation is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. This is the relation between kilometer and meter. अब हमें क्या करना है? Divide. So we'll divide this 215 by this 1000. Like 215 meter is equals to 215 upon 1000 kilometer. So 215 meter is equals to 215 upon 1000 kilometer. We are done with the conversion. हमने conversion कर दिया मीटर से किलोमीटर में, right? But denominator is bigger than the numerator. Upper part of the fraction or the upper number is called numerator and the lower number, that is 1000, is called denominator. जब denominator numerator से बड़ा है, हम एक स्टेप और सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर ऑफ़ ज़ीरोज़ दिख रहे हैं, जितने नंबर ऑफ़ ज़ीरोज़ दिखेंगे हम राइट साइड से उतने नंबर ऑफ़ डिजिट्स काउंट करेंगे न्यूमरेटर में और उतने डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल लगाएंगे. लाइक 1 2 3, 3 ज़ीरोज़ है नीचे, ऊपर 1 2 3, 3 डिजिट्स हमने काउंट किया, देन हमने डेसिमल लगा दिया लाइक 5 1 2. सो 1 2 3, देन विल पुट डेसिमल. This is the way to convert the numbers into decimal. So we can say 215 meters equals to decimal 215 kilometer. So you should always remember that the decimal point jumps to the left, right? Decimal point जो हमारा होता है वो left places पे jump करता है. Like right side से count कर रहे हैं हम, but डेसिमल जा के इधर रहा है लेफ़्ट साइड पे. 1 2 3 प्लेसेस उसने जंप किए. सो डेसिमल पॉइंट जम्प्स टू द लेफ्ट प्लेसेस व्हेन वी डिवाइड द न्यूमरेटर. जब हम न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड करते हैं और जितने नंबर ऑफ़ ज़ीरोज़ नीचे होते हैं उतने नंबर ऑफ़ डिजिट्स उतना ही लेफ़्ट प्लेसेस पे डेसिमल जंप कर जाता है. उतना ही जंप मीन्स उतने नंबर्स उतने डिजिट के बाद शिफ्ट करता है डेसिमल. 3 zeros, 3 digits. Now we'll solve the exercise 6A, that is on page number 101 of your mathematics book. So the first question is convert the following. Here you have to convert the following units. So the first one is 350 meter is equals to dash kilometer. So the relation between meter and kilometer is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, right? So we'll simply divide, because here we are converting the smaller unit into bigger unit. So in order to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit, we always divide. So 350 meter is equals to 350 upon 1000 kilometer. This 350 meters equals to 350 upon 1000 kilometer. But now we have to convert this fraction into decimal. जब नीचे डिनोमिनेटर हमारा बड़ा होता है और न्यूमरेटर छोटा होता है, in that case हमें नंबर को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना होता है. तो नंबर्स क्या हो जाते हैं, डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. कैसे? बिकॉज नीचे की डिजिट्स बड़ी हैं, नीचे का नंबर बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर वाला और न्यूमरेटर छोटा है. इन दैट केस व्हेन विल डिवाइड द नंबर इट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू डेसिमल्स. कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? जितने नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोज़ नीचे लिखे हुए होते हैं, 1000 में कितने ज़ीरोज़ हैं, 1 2 3. सो विल पुट डेसिमल आफ्टर 3 डिजिट्स, 1 2 3, 350. So 350 meter is equal to 0.350 किलोमीटर. डेसिमल के बाद के डिजिट्स को हम 350 नहीं रीड करते हैं, 350 इससे रीड करते हैं. डेसिमल 350 किलोमीटर. So this is the answer of this question. Here one more thing I want to mention is that whether you write down this answer as decimal 350 kilometer or decimal 35 kilometer, both are correct, right? दोनों ही सही हैं. डेसिमल्स के बाद जब कोई भी नंबर लिखते हैं फिर लास्ट में जो ज़ीरोज़ लगाते हैं डेसिमल में नंबर्स लिखने के बाद में जो हम ज़ीरोज़ लगाते हैं लास्ट में, उन्हें हम मेंशन करें या नहीं करें. Like here I have mentioned that 0, but in the second one I haven't mentioned, right? But both the answers are correct. It means ये लास्ट के ज़ीरोज़, डेसिमल में नंबर्स के लास्ट में जो ज़ीरोज़ लगाते हैं वो हम मेंशन करें या नहीं, उससे हमारे आंसर्स अफेक्टेड नहीं होते हैं. So don't get confused. Okay, let's solve the B part. That is 54 millimeters equals to dash centimeter. So here we have to convert millimeter into centimeter. Centimeter is bigger than millimeter. Centimeter जो unit है वो millimeter से bigger है. So in that case, when we convert the smaller unit into bigger unit, we always divide. So what is the relation between millimeter and centimeter? 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So we'll divide this number by 10. जो relation होता है उसी से हम divide करते हैं. So 54 millimeter is equals to 54/10 centimeter. Now we are done with the conversion. Conversion तो कर दिया हमने, but decimal में अभी 10 है. Sorry, denominator में अभी 10 है. So we'll convert this number into decimal. हम divide करेंगे 10 से 54 को, या फिर बस directly देख लेंगे कितने number of zeros हैं, 1. So just after 1 digit we'll put decimal. Like 1 digit. So we'll start from the left, from our right. That's right side से count करना शुरू करेंगे. 1 means 4. 4.5 centimeter. So 54 millimeter is equals to 5.4 centimeter. So this is the answer of the B part. That is 5.4 centimeter. Let's see the C part of first question. That is 16 centimeter is equals to dash millimeter. So in this question you have to convert centimeter into millimeter, and centimeter is bigger than millimeter, so you have to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. In that case we used to multiply. Bigger unit को smaller unit में convert करते हैं तो हम multiply करते हैं. So what is the relation between centimeter and millimeter? 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So we'll multiply this number, that is 16, with 10. Yes, because 10 का relation हो रहा है 1 centimeter में 10 millimeter. जो relation जिस number से बनता है हम लोग उसी से multiply या divide करते हैं. So 16 centimeter is equals to 16 into 10 millimeter. So the answer is 160 millimeter. So the answer is 160 millimeter. 16 centimeter is equals to 160 millimeter. Okay, let's do the D part of first question. That is 570 centimeter is equals to dash meter. Here you have to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit. Why? Because you have to convert the centimeter into meter, and meter is bigger than centimeter. So you have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. In that case we divide. What is the relation between meter and centimeter? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, right? So here we'll divide this number. So 570 centimeter is equals to 570 upon 100. We are dividing 570 by 100 because here it is the relation between meter and centimeter, the relation of 100. So 570 upon 100 meter. So 570 centimeters equals to 570 upon 100 meter. We have converted the values, the units. Now we have to convert this number into decimal. कितने number of zeros हैं? 1, 2. So just after 2 digits we'll put decimal. 1, 2, 0, 7. 1, 2, then we'll put decimal, then we'll write down 5. So 570 centimeter is equals to 5.70 meter. We cannot read this 70 as 70. Decimals के बाद जितने digits होते हैं हम उनकी place values के साथ उन्हें read नहीं करते हैं. We just read simply as 5.70. So this is the answer of D part. We can also write down this 5.70 meter as 5.7. Both the numbers are correct. So we are done for today. See you in the next lecture. Till then, do practice of the questions related to the topics that we have learned today. So till then, take care and study well.